Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Right after my last video, I don't know if it's gonna be the last one for you because I just filmed the Selfridges advent calendar. I don't know if I'm gonna post them in the same order, but anyway I just filmed another video. I'm still have the Christmas background. Apologize for that. I supposed to have that just for advent calendars and for the month of December, but right now it's so hard, kind of hard for me to remove that, so I'll keep it for this video. I hope that doesn't bother you. Anyway, for this video I wanna review the Narcissist kit. Is this one. I got this in a haul a while ago and I told you that I'm gonna review this one. Here are the colors on the back. And as far I can see a lot of nudes in here if you go by the packaging, and if you look here also. So let's go ahead and see what are the colors for NARS. I like NARS as lipsticks and not just as lipsticks. I like the Orgasm blush and a couple more other items from them. In this one we have 6 products. Probably those are deluxe samples by size, and this one of these has 3.4 milliliters, which is 0.12 ounce each one. 6 of them. I am a little bit better prepared than my last lipstick review. That was the what was that? The Sephora kit. It took me 4 hours, maybe more than 4 hours to edit that video because I had to cut in between of all those 14 shades and to speed the videos because it took me 1 hour to film that. Finally we went to 30 minutes. But anyway, some of those lipsticks were so hard to remove, so now I'm a little bit better prepared for this. I have a makeup remover, I have cotton pads, and I have a lip balm. So let's see how they are. And I'm gonna start with the first one. Probably it's gonna be a little bit impossible to read the shade. This one is in the shade District. If I'm not gonna able to tell you the shade because I don't see them on the back, if I'm not gonna be able to tell you the shade, I will buy a magnifier and be better prepared next time. Anyway, so far this one is in the shade District, and let's see how this one looks. Here is the shade of this one. It's more like a peachy color and looks like this. I have already applied the lip balm, but so far this seems to be very creamy, so I don't think I will have any problem to remove this. So far I do like this one. Applies so easy. It's very creamy, and I like the color also. It's an everyday color that looks pretty nice. Let me know what do you think, but so far I like this one. And now comes the time to remove it. And of course I have I put already the makeup remover on the cotton pads. So this was the first one in the shade District, and somehow I broke this little mirror last night when I filmed the other one, where I don't know when, but I don't know what that means. 7 years without luck, or I'm not gonna get married again, or some sayings differs from country to country. Anyway, let's see this one, and this one is in the shade Swing. It's a little bit darker than the first one. Looks more like a nude than a peachy color. So here is the color of this one. Not a very big difference from the first one, But boy, this one is so, no, all of them actually, they are so soft and creamy and so easy to apply them. I can say by far that I like this kit more than the Sephora one, and the colors are pretty nice. Probably you're gonna see something here on my cheek. It's a guy that I will talk about in my 1250 mask coming soon. So here is the second one, another one that I like, another everyday color for me. And let's remove this one. Very easy to remove them. And let's go with the third one, which is called Lure. I believe it's Lure. Here is the shade of this one. They are very similar as colors. Is this one here. So let's see what this one does. So here is the third color in here, the Lure one. Pretty nice as the other one, the other two. Same formula, pretty great formula so far. As I said, I like the formula for them. And here is the color. Not big difference between them. I don't know how the camera shows them. It is some difference in here, but not something very not that much difference. So far this is gonna be a kit that I think everybody is able to wear, because those are nude colors everyday wearing. This guy, the fourth one, is called Rosalind. Another pretty nice shade. So let's see what this one does. Here is the Rosalind. Pretty nice shade also. I do like this one too. So far I like everything in this kit. Nude was a color that I used to wear when I started wearing lipsticks, and this one was not long ago. I don't want to say exactly when, but anyway, not long ago I was wearing just nude, and probably aging turned me to red, because I like red now also. So this was the fourth one. We have two more, and of course I'll do the best to speed the video. This one is, let me remove this one first. And this time I have some foundation left around my lips. So let's see the next one. The next one is more like a brown to me, and this one is Volt. Here is the shade of this one. Looks like this. I'm not so much in those brown colors, but this is not so browny. It's a lipstick that looks very natural, and I like this one also. So pretty nice shade. A full box of nudes. So I think this one is nice too as color. Last one is called Spike. Looks like this, and I like the applicator also. And let's see how this one looks on the lips. I think this one is the boldest color in this kit. So far I like this one also. This one was the last one, and this one was called Spike. Pretty nice color also. I like all 6 of them. I think at least for me, or for somebody who like nudes, it's well worth it, the price of this one. If I will find the link, I will leave it down below. For sure I have the link in the, and I didn't swatch the last two on my hand. Let me swatch those and so I can show you comparing with the other ones. I will leave the link if I will find the kit. As I told you many times, I prefer samples or deluxe samples to the full size. To me, I don't think a lipstick is meant to be used to completely. So far, here are the shades. If you look on my hand, they look different as shades. On my lips, they look a little bit more similar. But we have 6 shades in here. Great formula, nice applicator, applies very easy. I didn't need any lip balm to apply them because they are very creamy and removes very easy. So yeah, I like the kit. Let me know what do you think about this one. I will see you very soon with another video. In the meantime, have an amazing day. Bye bye.